Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making lasagna. Okay, so to begin, I have 15 lasagna noodles. So in a pot of boiling water, you want to go in with some salt. You go in with 15 lasagna noodles. So guys, to start making the sauce, you want to go in with 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, I'm going to come with a little bit of pepper, a little bit of seasoning. Please add seasoning to taste, okay? I have 6 cloves of minced garlic. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. And I'm going to let this cook until the beef is no longer pink. So guys, I'm going to come here with 1 tablespoon of fresh thyme leaves. And I'm going in with a jar of my favorite marinara sauce. So guys, because I still have a little bit of sauce in this bottle, I will go in here with just a little bit of chicken broth and I will rinse inside and I'll add to my sauce. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch just to thicken the sauce. I don't want a running sauce. Okay. This is what your sauce should look like. Okay. Not runny and not too thick. Okay. To make the cheese sauce, you want to come in here with 16 ounces of cottage cheese. Okay. This is the brand I'm using. 15 ounces of ricotta cheese. Okay. Go in with 2 eggs. One tablespoon of fresh parsley. I'm gonna go in with like half cup of Parmesan cheese. And that's it for our cheese sauce. I have a cup of Parmesan cheese here. I'm gonna go in with 2 cups of mozzarella cheese. So guys, now that we have everything ready, it is time to layer our lasagna. So we're going to go in here with some of the marinara sauce. But just make sure you have the sauce and the cheese everywhere. Okay. Come here with the cheese sauce. So you're gonna come here with shredded mozzarella and Parmesan cheese combination. Okay. So here we go, guys, with our final layer. So I'm going to cover this and let it bake for 375 degrees for 45 to 50 minutes. There we go, guys. This lasagna is ready. So the only thing left is to garnish with some parsley. Thank you so much, guys, for sticking with me to the end. Please have yourself a very beautiful day. Bye bye.